I bet we got a third train coming though. It's an Autorack train, alright. Autorack train, alright. Dude, like the air pump, buddy. BNSF Autorack train, alright. That's an Autorack train, BNSF, alright. I didn't like a rattle like a does like the rattling scary clown. Yes, motor and jack. Assembled that train was BNSF E44C4 leading the dash 9-44CW leading Autorack train. That train here originates at Blue Island, Illinois by Chicago. Heads west going to Phoenix, Arizona. Happened on Saturday, February 14th. Happy Valentines Day 2026 by Tyler McCully, Wide World, Missouri, BNSF Autorack train on YouTubeland. You get a comment section below the Autorack train. Give YouTube a like. Appreciate it from Tyler McCully. Another cool train video. Roll it.